Welcome to today's video, and today we're going to talk about toxic positivity. I'm sure a lot of you must be thinking that how is something which is unanimously prescribed toxic, or how can positivity be toxic? But do you remember being told that anything in excess is injurious to health? Or do you know that if you put too much of sugar, the things start tasting bitter? So positivity can be toxic. Positivity is toxic when you are forced or you're pressurized to only look at the positive aspect of things, as if every other emotion is not relevant. Don't worry, be happy. Oh, don't get caught up in all this. Stay positive. You will get over it. It's nothing. It's just a phase. The words are spoken by all the well-meaning people around us. We are taught not to be vulnerable. We are told that however you're feeling within, that's not important. You must always smile. And in the bargain, we start building and weaving a web around us, a facade where we pretend that we are all positive. There is no such thing as good or bad emotions. Yes, for the sake of understanding, we need to segregate emotions. But the very fact that emotions exist is for a reason. I personally think emotions are your surface level responses to a underlying cause. So if you don't touch the surface, how are you ever going to go underground? They exist for a reason. They're there to tell you something. Emotions are energy in motion. And if you do not listen to your emotions, your body takes over the job of conveying that message. And that's when psychosomatic diseases happen. Your undiagnosed pains and aches, they are all due to some blocked energy. So you must acknowledge and accept your emotions. I'm not asking you to get stuck in negative emotions and don't look at the bright side of life. Yes, positivity is a beautiful thing, but forced positivity is toxic, because by forcing yourself, you are trying to avoid, suppress, and repress your other emotions. So give them space, allow them to come, lounge, take their time, and then release them. Always good to look at the bright side of things, but you must always remember, too much of brightness can make us blind. So it's all about creating the right balance. It's all about being mindful and taking charge of your life.